Hello viewers and welcome to this new video. Today we are in Battle of Warships and we are gonna sail in the Japanese battleship Yamato. As you know, this is my favorite ship to play with. As I said many times, not the strongest, but I really like her playstyle and I love the ship. So let's get in, viewing the usual description of the ship. Of course, she has one of the highest amount of HP on all battleships. Once it was the highest, but now we have 247k HP without any flag. Then we have the speed of 32 knots, a very good turning of 39 seconds, which, even though it's not the best, it is very good due to her not extraordinarily high speed. Then we have 6 interceptors. We have extremely powerful guns on 2 types. The main guns are extremely powerful, but don't underestimate the smaller guns. We have very good anti-aircraft armament, not the best, but it is very useful. No torpedoes, and we have some decent interceptors. For the customization, I chose my usual American flag that gives more damage and less reload time, the Oscar flag, the Navy Darken camouflage, and the German Imperial Navy sticker. And so that's it for the description. This is gonna be quite a hard battle, but that shows that Yamato is practically unsinkable, and if used right, you will stay alive the whole battle. So let's get in and take the Yamato to battle. And we're here. Nice. I mean, this is not the best spawn in this map, but I'll stay here honestly because I can still make some decent things. I think the best spawn is to spawn in the middle spot, and then you choose the side to go yourself, and mainly it is staying in the middle waiting for people. But this is not what we're gonna do now, because we have quite a few strong battleships, I mean Super Alsace, and they are gonna be quite a hard problem honestly. Of course, Super Alsace is the strongest ship, maybe. And after all, I don't know what the other Alsace is doing right now, but it seems that she's gonna camp in the border or something like that in long range. And I hate her, honestly. Fortunately, she is already out of range. This Alsace, instead of firing at Yamato, is firing at me in longer range, and the attack is four-sided, so I don't know why are you doing that. Okay, Yamato died. Whatever. I can go a little bit forward. That's a Shima, right? Oh yeah. That's gonna be quite difficult. I don't know where to go, honestly. Maybe, yeah, I'll stay on this side. Okay, nice hits on this Otago. He already set me on fire. I saw torpedoes coming this way from Atago, so I'm gonna stop. Okay, nice. Someone other is coming and hits the Shimakaze quite fastly. Oh god, that torpedo. Come on, Shimakaze. Get over here. Push me. Take this port side. Nice. Yeah, I could have done better, but whatever. Oh, how many fires am I taking in this battle? Is that third or fourth? I don't know. Oh, we got a fire. Two. Nice. Oh, nice. I thought that was gonna be something better, honestly. This is not the best situation. There is the Alsace coming this way, and the Shimakaze is hardly spamming me. I'm taking serious amount of damage right now. Okay, fire is out. Switching shells and waiting for the Alsace to come in this way. Hopefully I'm gonna take her out. I am quite low HP actually, but yeah, Shimakaze on our team is gonna do good things, I hope. Oh, it's a Missouri? What? I didn't saw her. She is damaging me quite nicely. Someone died, I think it's the Alsace on the other hand. At this point angle doesn't really matter, because she is very slow, she is very close to us. But we can do a few things anyway. Yeah, Alsace is still alive, and there is another Alsace. Of course, Shimakaze loves to spam me. I don't think I'm gonna win this, because even though our Shimakaze, or my Shimakaze, because we are into, seems to be extremely strong, there are still two Super Alsace, and you know, it's quite a problem. I've been here for the whole match, after all. I took extensive damage for the whole battle. Hopefully our Shimakaze takes out the enemy one. Oh yeah, enemy Alsace is recovering HP, also quite fastly. Come on, take out the enemy Shima, please. I believe on you. Okay, this super... She has already fired at me. Okay, I could have done surely better things, but I can still take her out, I hope. Oh god, how many HP does she have? Oh, she's also repairing. That's not very good. Oh, this is very intense. Come on. Yamato and Shima versus Super Alsace, the French versus the Japanese. Hope that the Shima launches some good torpedoes on the Alsace. Oh, this Alsace is strong. She fired at me, of course. I am already on the border. I can't waste any shells. Unfortunately, I don't like that much board camping. But I'm here, I have to do this. We are damaging her quite hardly. Nice. Come on, Shima. Fire her. Die. Yes. Yes, nice. Nice, nice. Oh, that shot was very nice for you, Alsace. Yeah, that was very intense. I used, how many? A huge amount of repairs, but nothing I can do. Okay, now I hope that Alsace is not gonna take me out in one shot, but I don't think she can do that. Yeah, what ships that does 68k of damage after all? There is no way she can take me out in one only shot. And I think she's waiting right there for someone. I hope the Shima is gonna make something. Oh, this Shima is very good. Compliment if Shima is watching this video, you are very good. Okay, I'm gonna go on that way. Hopefully Shima takes her out, but I don't know, honestly. Maybe yes. Yes, he is gonna take her out. No way, GG Shima. If not, that's a big failure, but I think Shima is gonna do that. Nice. Nice. Oh, yes. Well done, Shimakaze. You were the best. Nice, nice. Perfect team, Yamato and Shimakaze. Long range and stealth pushing is a perfect combo, honestly. Well, I did a huge amount of damage after all, I didn't realize that. Nice, I like that. Nice. And this was everything for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Remember to subscribe and leave like, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.